Congressman Brett Guthrie of Kentucky led a hearing on the effort to develop a safe and effective COVID-19 vaccine. Guthrie is on a subcommittee that oversees the administration's response to the coronavirus pandemic and its efforts to develop a vaccine. During the hearing, the subcommittee questioned public health experts about the safety of the approval process. Guthrie says that any vaccine would have to go through rigorous testing and approvals before being manufactured. He says he understands that some might not be trusting of the vaccine production process.
I urge each of us to put politics aside. I know we're a few weeks from election, but put politics aside in order to deliver one unified, life-saving message that Americans can trust the FDA's vaccine approval process.
Guthrie also reminded everyone to get their flu shot, saying that this year will be more important than ever.